Here I've got HUAWEI P30 Lite, and let me show you how to activate hotspot on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and pick wireless and networks, and here go to tethering and portable hotspot, and go to the portable Wi-Fi hotspot. To activate it, just tap on this switcher. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. Here you can locate the sign, then here devices that are connected, and now you can share network with other devices with your friends. Then if you would like to turn hotspot off, just tap on the same switcher again, and now it's not active. If you would like to configure your hotspot, just click on the same tab, and now you can change the network name. Just click here and now you can smoothly change it. Let me enter hard reset. Tap on save, and then tap on the eye icon to see what your current password is. Then you can delete it and enter a new one. Just remember that the password must have at least 8 characters, and then tap on save. So this is it, how you can set up your hotspot and also how you can activate and deactivate it. But there is also the possibility to activate it pretty quickly through the upper bar, smoothly slide it down, and then tap on hotspot icon right here. And now it's active. Then you can turn it off the same way, smoothly by tapping here. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.